Hi, I'm Matt Kett, the Public Works Construction Manager, and you're watching Street Smarts. Today we're looking at an important infrastructure update, the Midtown Sewer Replacement Project. We're replacing approximately 2,200 lineal feet of aging sewer mains, manholes, and service laterals to keep our wastewater system reliable. Work is well underway alongside streets like Lincoln Street, Grant Street, and Grant Court, with temporary closures in place while residents' access is maintained. Crews are now preparing to transition into Gateway area near Solano Town Center along Gateway Boulevard and Gateway Court. Please allow extra travel time, follow posted detours, and stay alert around the active work zones. Your safety and the safety of our crews is our top priority. As always, stay up to date by visiting online at fairfield.ca.gov. Thank you for your patience and driving safely. We'll see you next time on Street Smarts.
To view more programs like this, follow the City of Fairfield on YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook.